What if you have a word of the Lord in your mouth? I went to the nations in a little small studio, unplanned, just trying to heal a few people. That's it. But what if you're the next person, but you just lot it up? Here the Lord's given you a great word and a great burden. Do you know great words start from a person's life who's just messed up? I promise you. Every great word that is birthed comes out of the pain of someone else. It's time to rebuild your spiritual walls. It's time to build them. Let's go to our first scripture, Nehemiah 1:4.